Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the videos with your friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very unique and delicious pasta. We start by chopping the onions. We finally dice one onion into small cubes. Fill a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Now add some salt and pasta. Let the pasta cook for about 10 minutes until it's fully done. Now let's move on to the cherry tomatoes. Dice a few cherry tomatoes with a very sharp knife into small cubes and set them aside. It's time to finely chop a bunch of parsley. You can also use dill instead of parsley. Dill also adds a great flavor and aroma to this dish. Well, what do you think? Shall we check our pasta to see if it's cooked or not? Let's go to the pot first and see if our pasta is ready. It looks like our pasta is fully cooked. Now it's time to drain the pasta. Drain your pasta and let it cook down a bit. Now in a separate bowl, crack 3 eggs one by one, and then use a whisk to beat them thoroughly until the eggs are completely mixed. Grate some Parmesan cheese. You can use also cheddar cheese instead of Parmesan cheese for a nice flavor. Now add all prepared ingredients to the eggs one by one. First the chopped onion, then the cherry tomatoes, and then finely chopped parsley. Here you should use sour cream and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And finally the grated Parmesan cheese. Now add some salt, black pepper, and garlic powder and mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are well combined. Now coat a clean frying pan with some softened butter until the entire pan is greased with butter. Pour the cooked pasta into the frying pan and use a spatula to spread it out evenly. Once the pasta is evenly distributed, pour the egg mixture we prepared earlier over the entire pasta. Turn on the heat and let one side of the pasta cook for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, let the other side of the pasta fry. Sprinkle Parmesan cheese over the top, cover it with a lid, and after about 5 minutes, our delicious pasta is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching till the end. I'd be delighted if you try this dish at home and leave your feedbacks in the comments. I love reading your comments. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. and definitely share it with your friends. Until the next video, goodbye! So tasty!